Hey everyone, today we're diving into the wonders of the Google Nest Learning Thermostat, third generation. Yes, you heard it right. This little gadget can seriously change your life. First off, one of my favorite features of the Nest Learning Thermostat is its automatic learning capability. During the first few weeks, it learns your temperature preferences and daily routine. Do you like it warmer in the mornings and cooler at night? Nest remembers that and adjusts the settings for you automatically. So you no longer have to fuss with your thermostat. And the display? This device has a feature called Farsight. It lights up when you approach it and shows information like the time, weather, or target temperature. It's like having a little tech assistant always by your side. When it comes to energy savings, Nest is truly amazing. It monitors your energy usage and gives you tips to save energy. And when you make energy efficient settings, the Nest Leaf icon appears. So you're not only helping the planet, but also reducing your bills. The mobile control feature is another fantastic perk. No matter where you are, you can adjust your home's temperature right from your phone. Want to warm up the house before you leave work? You can do it with a single touch. On top of that, with the Home Away Assist feature, it automatically adjusts the temperature when you're not home, creating a comfortable environment when you are and saving energy when you're not. Nest Learning Thermostat is compatible with most 24V HVAC systems. Whether it's gas, electric, forced air, heat pump, or radiant systems, it likely works with Nest. No need to worry about compatibility. You can easily check with Nest's compatibility checker. Finally, energy reports. It provides monthly energy usage reports. These reports help you track your energy usage and find more ways to save. The Google Nest Learning Thermostat is not just a thermostat, it's a tech marvel managing your home's comfort. It's practical, stylish, and energy efficient. If you're looking for a smart solution for your home, you should definitely consider this little buddy. Trust me, the Nest Learning Thermostat will take your home to the next level. Now, let's move on to our next product, the Ecobee SmartThermostat with voice control. This smart thermostat isn't just smart, it's incredibly intuitive and versatile. One of the standout features of the Ecobee SmartThermostat is its built-in voice control. It comes integrated with Alexa, which means you can control your thermostat, play music, check the weather, and even control other smart home devices all with just your voice. And it's not just limited to Alexa, it also works seamlessly with Google Assistant, Apple HomeKit, and Samsung SmartThings. Ecobee takes home comfort to another level with its remote sensors. These sensors can be placed in different rooms to detect both temperature and occupancy. This way, the thermostat can prioritize the rooms that are actually in use, ensuring that you're always comfortable no matter where you are in the house. It's a brilliant feature, especially for larger homes. Energy savings are another area where the Ecobee really shines. It uses artificial intelligence to learn your habits and optimize energy usage accordingly. It's estimated that users can save up to 23% annually on heating and cooling costs. Plus, you can track and analyze your energy usage right from the app, making it easier to identify ways to save even more. The Ecobee Smart Thermostat is equipped with a sleek, user-friendly touchscreen. You can easily adjust the temperature and settings with a simple tap. The high-resolution, colorful display makes it a pleasure to use. Music lovers will appreciate that the Ecobee Smart Thermostat comes with Spotify Connect. This means you can listen to your favorite tunes or podcasts directly through the thermostat's high-quality speakers. It's a unique feature that adds an extra layer of convenience and enjoyment to your home environment. Compatibility won't be an issue with Ecobee. It works with most HVAC systems, and installation is a breeze. Ecobee provides a compatibility checker to ensure that your system will work with the thermostat before you even make the purchase. The smart sensor technology is truly next level. These advanced sensors can detect motion and temperature, ensuring that the most important rooms in your home are always at the perfect temperature. This creates a balanced and comfortable environment throughout your home. Last but not least, the Ecobee Smart Thermostat provides advanced energy reporting. It offers detailed insights into your energy usage, helping you make informed decisions to further reduce your energy consumption and costs. In summary, the Ecobee Smart Thermostat with voice control is an exceptional blend of convenience, technology, and energy efficiency. Its voice control capabilities, remote sensors, and user-friendly features make it a top choice for anyone looking to upgrade their home's climate control. If you're after a smart thermostat that does it all, the Ecobee should definitely be on your radar. Now, let's move on to our next product, the Honeywell Home T9 Smart Thermostat. This smart thermostat really stands out when it comes to providing comfort and energy savings in your home. One of the most impressive features of the Honeywell Home T9 Smart Thermostat is its smart room sensors. These sensors detect which rooms are being used and optimize the temperature in those rooms. This ensures a comfortable environment in every corner of your home. By monitoring occupancy and temperature, these room sensors help you save energy. The mobile control feature is also very handy. You can control the thermostat remotely with the Honeywell Home app available for Android and iOS devices. No matter where you are, you can adjust your home's temperature right from your phone. Want to warm up the house before leaving work? You can do it with just a tap. You don't need to worry about compatibility. The Honeywell Home T9 Smart Thermostat works with most 24V HVAC systems, including gas, electric, and forced air systems. You can easily check compatibility using the Honeywell Compatibility Checker before making a purchase. Energy savings are a key feature of the Honeywell T9. It provides personalized recommendations to help you save energy and optimize usage. You can also monitor and analyze your energy consumption. This not only helps protect the environment, but also reduces your energy bills. The voice control feature is another highlight. It works with Alexa and Google Assistant, allowing you to adjust the temperature with voice commands, making your home even more comfortable. With its adaptive scheduling feature, the Honeywell T9 learns your daily routines and adjusts itself over time to become more efficient. The geofencing feature detects your location and adjusts the temperature based on whether you're home or away. Lastly, the Honeywell T9 provides monthly energy usage reports. These reports help you track your energy consumption and identify more ways to save. The user-friendly energy reports make it easier to manage your energy usage effectively. In summary, the Honeywell Home T9 Smart Thermostat enhances comfort and saves energy in your home. With smart room sensors, mobile control, energy-saving features, and a user-friendly interface, this thermostat makes your home smarter and more efficient. If you're looking for more comfort and savings in your home's climate control, the Honeywell T9 Smart Thermostat is the way to go. If you enjoyed this video and want to see more, please subscribe to my channel. I post new product reviews and the latest in technology every week. See you next time.